So here I am with my remote control box. All I gotta do is push the on button, and 3, 2, 1. Watch it move. Look at that. Melissa, the box really moves. It works. And it has like a little giggle feature. It's great. Look at that. I've been working all day on this. Science is awesome. Don't look at those hands and legs. That's not part of the experiment. Look, now I'm going to put it in super fast mode. Watch this. 3, 2, 1, go. Look at that. Oh. Oh, I think I broke it. I broke the box. It's back to the drawing board. Oh, really? There's a girl in there.